Hello guys, our review channel Gadget Retro. Okay, real tech flagship phone has crazy expensive right now. But what if you could get almost the same power, design and features without dropping a dozen bucks? That's actually what Samsung is trying with the brand new Galaxy S25 FE. Today I will break down why this phone might be the perfect spot for students and professionals who want performance on a budget. Let's keep it simple. I will give you the big highlights, camera, display, performance, battery, and we will see if this thing really deserves a spot in your pocket. Ready? Don't skip this video till the end. If you like it, don't forget to like and subscribe. So let's go. The Galaxy S25 FE looks like a mini version of the S25 Plus. It's rocking a 6.4-inch dynamic AMOLED 2H display with 120Hz refresh rate. Translation: scrolling feels better smooth. TikTok looks crisp and gaming feels way more fluid. The bezels are same, and yes, it feels premium in your hand without the premium price. Quick comparison: it's basically the same display tech as the Galaxy S25, just slightly similar. Samsung didn't chip out here. You get a triple camera setup, a 50MP main sensor with iOS for sharp clear shoots, a 12MP ultra wide for group pics and land caps, an 8MP telephoto with 3x optical zoom, selfie, solid 12MP front camera perfect for FaceTime or Insta Reels. Basically, you are getting camera versatility that's very close to Flagship S25. For under $700, that's a win. Here's where it gets interesting. The S25 FE runs on Samsung latest Exynos 2500 chip, Core Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 in regions, paired with up to 12GB RAM. It can handle everything: heavy multitasking, gaming, video editing, you name it. And yes, AI is back writing. Things like a live call translation, smart photo edits, and adaptive performance modes come standard. It's not just a fast, it's the smarter fast standard point. Compared to the Pixel 9, this thing offers more raw power, especially in gaming. A 4700 mAh battery keeps this phone all day. Even if you are streaming Spotify, scrolling Instagram, and watching Netflix between classes. Plus, it supports 45 watts fast charging, meaning you can go from here dead to 50% in around 25 minutes. Oh, and wireless charging? Yep, it's here too. Here's the best part: the Galaxy S25 FE is rumored to start around $799. That's 100 less than the regular Galaxy S25 or iPhone 16 Pro, while still giving you an out 80 to 9% of the same experience. For students and young professionals, this is basically a flagship without the financial regret. So here's the bottom line: the Galaxy S25 FE gives you flagship level display, cameras and performance, but at a price that actually makes sense. Whereas, would you go for the S25 FE to save money? Or would you still splurge on the full S25 or even the iPhone? Drop your speak in the comments. I will be reading them. Thanks for watching my video. Don't forget to like, and if you want more guys, do not forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more guys videos.